Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Apple Watch Ultra all-in-one watch case, strap, and 2 screen protectors. It's $21.99 on Amazon. I've been a big fan of Supcase's version of this type of all-in-one strap and case for my previous Apple Watches, so I'm actually pretty excited to check this one out. As far as the packaging goes, it's pretty reminiscent of all the other Unicorn Beetle stuff from Supcase. You know, you got the little Supcase logos all over. And then here on the back, there's an installation guide as well. And then, of course, like I said, Apple Watch Ultra, UB Nut 49, which is for 49 millimeters. So let's get this bad boy out here. So as far as the actual unboxing, it's pretty simple. It's what this comes in. Let's go ahead and pull the watch strap and everything out. Oh man, this is a big boy. So if you're a fan of big face watches, be ready. This is a big old case right here. I mean, there's my thumbs. So yeah, it's a big one. But let's go ahead and see what else comes inside. So we got some LCD cleaning wipes and a little microfiber cloth to clean the screen to install these, which are the little screen protectors that come with it, which I will be happy to install because I've been running around not using one on the Apple Watch Ultra, and I definitely don't want to scratch it up. Thought it said it came with 2, but I only see 1. Well, I'll figure that part out. Oh, there it is. It's inside there. I didn't pull it out. But regardless, this is what we came for. So as far as the construction of this, obviously it's just a big old TPU case, just a very hardcore looking watch strap here. You got the faux carbon fiber here, which looks really cool. You got a black aluminum little clasp here with UB Pro there. And then when you move down to the sides of the actual watch case, you can see that it's got that faux carbon fiber look once again, just really all around it. So it looks really, really cool. Then we got some Supcase branding right there. And then just a dual part here, which is obviously where this clasps into. And that's actually where the watch goes in. So before we slap it on, let's go ahead and slap on the actual screen protector. So that way we can just get it all done at once and then get everything installed, because I wanted to see how this installs with a screen protector. So we're just going to use the provided little cleaning cloth here. Then use the provided microfiber cloth that comes with it. Okay. And let's get this out here. All right, so we got this. It's a black bordered screen protector. So let's get it put on. Should be pretty straightforward. All right, I think I got it on there pretty good. Looks like these little air bubbles don't want to get out. Okay, and that's all she wrote. Looks like there's a little bit of some air bubbles going on here at the bottom, which I'm sure I can push out at some point, but just for video purposes to speed it up, let's go ahead and get this installed real quick. So install should be pretty simple, right? So we're just gonna kind of just push it in, and that's it. So very, very simple install. You can see that's kind of what it looks like installed right there. So you have complete exposure to the back. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way around this bigger portion here. So you do have this part exposed, which in hindsight, it's probably for the better. So that way you have a little bit easier access to your dial there. That's the look, complete access to your heart sensors and all that stuff. And then that's the look of the front of it. So with the tempered glass screen protector installed, it looks completely fine. So now let's go ahead and get it put on. So as far as getting it installed on my wrist here, which I'm trying not to bump the table and the camera, let's go ahead and just cinch it up a little bit. Let's see, I think that feels probably, well, maybe one more. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Okay, and there it is. So there is the case and band all-in-one installed on my Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see here, it's a big boy, like I said. I mean, the Apple Watch Ultra is already a big watch. This makes it significantly bigger. So like I said, if you're someone that doesn't like just completely giants on your wrist, then I would probably stay away from this. But if you are someone that likes a big rugged watch, this definitely does the job with your Apple Watch Ultra. Like I said, just making it that much bigger and more rugged. So the material feels pretty good on my wrist right here. Looks really nice up against the watch itself. So like I said, just all these just really cool designs. The little, wouldn't say it's faux screws or anything like that, because it's not. Sometimes with some of these types of watch bands, they do that where it looks like it's like kind of a faux style, like industrial look there. Looks really cool. Looking at it from this side here, which I'll try to get in the video, that's kind of the design look on the wrist there, as you can see. So when I'm trying to access the wheel there, it does a good job. I can easily get to it. There's no issues at all with that, so no problems at all there. And then of course with this button here, no issues at all. So easy access to everything here as far as what the Apple Watch has. And then there's the button. If I wanted to do like my workout button, that's kind of what I have it set to. So once again, you can just push that. It is completely covered. And then you do have those little slits there for the little speaker on the side. So all in all, guys, very rugged, big boy here. So like I said, if you're looking for an Apple Watch case all-in-one type of thing, this might be the one for you, because like I said, it does come with that screen protector as well. So that's a huge added bonus for $21.99 to get everything. So there you have it, guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.